In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your profile picture from Microsoft Teams. If you want to clear your current photo and go back to a more basic profile appearance, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it slowly, so it's easy to follow. First, go to Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed into the correct account. You can do this from the Teams desktop app or through the web version, depending on which one you normally use. Once Teams is open, wait for the main interface to fully load so all profile options are available. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account avatar there. This is the small profile image or initials that represent your account. Click that avatar once to open your account menu. After the menu appears, click on the avatar again. This second click takes you into the area where your profile picture settings can be managed. If your current photo is visible, you should now be able to access the option to remove it. Now click on Remove. This tells Microsoft Teams that you want to delete the current profile picture from your account. If you don't immediately see the option, take a second to check the profile image panel carefully, since placement can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the desktop app or browser version. Once you've selected Remove, click Save. This is the final step that applies the change. If you skip saving, your profile picture may still remain in place, so make sure this part is completed before leaving the page. After you save, Teams may take a few moments to update. In some cases, the change appears right away. In others, you might need to refresh the app, reopen Teams, or wait briefly for the update to sync across Microsoft services. That's normal, and that's all it takes to remove a profile picture from Microsoft Teams. Open Teams, click the avatar in the top right corner, click the avatar again, choose Remove, and then click Save. If you're following along while updating your own account, it can help to stay on the profile screen for a few seconds after saving just to confirm the image has been removed successfully. Once the update is complete, your account will typically display your initials or a default icon instead of the old photo. That's the full process for removing your profile picture from Microsoft Teams.